Let me introduce myself. My name is Nadia. I'm currently studying management marketing at Royal Holloway University of London, and today I am going to teach you how to make chili con carne. Okay, so before we start, I'm going to show you what ingredients you will need. Now then, let's begin. First thing you want to do is take a knife, a sharp knife, and cut your onions. When you're done dicing the onions, just put them in a bowl. Next step is to dice the bell peppers. What you want to do is cut into half and make sure you take the bits inside, and make sure you wash the bell peppers first. There we go, clean bell peppers. And now we just thinly slice them. Put them in a bowl. Now, bell peppers and chili can go in the exact same time, that's why I'm going to put them in the same bowl. So basically take your 2 chilies, or no chili at all if you don't like your chili con carne to be spicy, and cut them. Personally, for me, because I'm from Indonesia, I like my meals to be very spicy, so I might put 4 chilies in there. The next thing to cut is carrots. I'm just gonna put like 3 carrots because these are very small. I might put 4. Healthier. Peel the carrots first. Now they are all peeled off. Just cut the end of the carrot for each one and throw those away. Now we start chopping. Now and throw away the other end of the carrots. The next thing you want to do is to drain the kidney beans. Take a sieve, just drain them. Now the next thing you want to do is bring a big wok and place it on the stove. So you're gonna put your oil. Again, it's up to you if you want to put in sunflower oil, vegetable oil, anything at all, as long as it's equal to 2 tablespoons. Now that the oil is hot, you will want to put your onions in. Keep stirring the onions, as you can see, until they are brown. Put in the carrots and cook for 5 minutes, and the bell peppers for a further 5 minutes. Just keep on stirring, don't stop. Next up is to put the garlic in, smoked paprika, cumin, and hot chili powder. Again, the chili powder is according to your heat preference. Then just keep on stirring for a further 2 minutes. Okay, the next step is to put in the chopped tomatoes, tomato passata, and tomato puree. Put in the vegetable stock cube. Now after the vegetable stock cube is in, just bring down your heat into like lower, and just let it simmer for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, put in the corn mince and keep on stirring. And lastly, you're gonna put in your kidney beans, which are drained, by the way. And just stir again. Lastly, you're gonna put in sugar and salt. This really depends on how you like the flavor. To me personally, I'll just put like 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. And just leave it for 10 minutes to simmer. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you make chili con carne. This is the result. Yay! Usually I eat it with rice, so that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna make some rice. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon at Royal Holloway.